Hi, Riley. Is it cookie time?
Yeah.
You gonna have one of Grandma Roseanne's homemade sugar cookies?
Yeah. Will you put it?
Oh, really?
Oh, that's cookie.
Okay. Here you go. There's a sugar cookie for you.
Cookies?
Yes, there's more right there. Is that yummy?
No.
Are you sure? I think it is. I think you would eat one of those every single hour on the hour if you could. Can Mommy have a bite? No? You're not going to share? Hey Riley, there's no more milk left. Oh no. Milk all gone.
Welcome.